Hey everyone, I'm Steve. Today we'll be learning how easy it is to repair your windshield from chips, bullseyes, and stars using the Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit. These are the items included in your repair kit. Before you get started, make sure you clean the area with a paper towel and some Rain-X glass cleaner. Now that the area is clean, let's begin repairing the windshield. First, grab the applicator base and go ahead and align the opening of the center ring to the center of the brake, making sure that the suction cups are not covering any crack coming out from the bullseye. Once aligned, secure the base into place by pressing firmly on each suction cup. Once that's done, go ahead and connect the resin chamber to the base by inserting it into the center ring. Turn clockwise until the rubber mouth is flat against the windshield. At this point, I recommend you double check that the resin chamber is centered by taking a look from inside your car. Once that's aligned, continue gently turning the resin chamber until the rubber mouth is flat against the glass. Now that's set up, clip off the tip of the resin bottle and add 3 to 6 drops into the resin chamber. If you notice any resin leaking out of the bottom of the chamber, gently turn the resin chamber clockwise, just enough to stop leakage. Next, you're going to screw the pressure driver into the resin chamber to drive the resin into the brake. Make sure you tighten until the pressure driver is screwed all the way in. Once you do that, you'll want to go back in your car and make sure the resin has filled out the entire brake. You may need to wait 4 to 6 minutes for the resin to be absorbed fully into the crack. If you still see bubbles, then unscrew and remove the pressure driver from the resin chamber. This will release any air that may have been trapped in there. Now just reinsert the pressure driver and screw down. Once you are satisfied that the brake has been completely filled with resin, you can remove the entire apparatus. If you notice a small valley where the resin chamber was, apply some resin directly to the valley. Then grab a curing strip and gently lay it over the brake. For the next step, move your car into direct sunlight for 5 to 10 minutes so the resin can fully dry. Once dried, slowly remove the curing strip. Then, using the razor blade, scrape along the windshield to remove any hardened resin from all areas around the impact point. And there you have it. If you like videos like this and want to learn more about cleaning and repellency, follow us at Official Rain-X on Facebook and Instagram.